In today's video, I'll show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So this one's pretty simple. We've got two clips here. All we want to do is go to the transitions tab on the top here. I am in the cut section. Okay, so now we have a whole bunch of transitions and you can choose any one you want. And if you hover over them, you can pretty much see what the transition is going to do. And when you found the one you want, you can just drag it onto the second clip. Now, if we click on it and then head over to the inspector, here we can customize all the settings from duration to adding motion blur and things like that. Now, you can also just adjust it from within the timeline, which is really nice. And here's what it looks like. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next DaVinci Resolve video.